Today we're going to be talking about what Python programming is, and I'm going to be showing you how we can download it so you can start learning how to program in Python. So in terms of what Python programming is, it's just a programming language, and it's sometimes referred to as a high-level programming language. Now what that means is that lots of the words in the programming language are actually really close to the English language. This makes it automatically easier to understand than other programming languages, especially in comparison to low-level programming languages. As a real-world function about why you might learn Python out of all the programming languages, it's used in developing apps, it's used for websites, it's used in developing AI, and tons more. As I said earlier, as it's so close to the English language, it's actually one of the easier programming languages to learn. So it's a really good one if you're just starting to program or just wanting to learn the basics of programming. Now I'm going to show you how we can install Python so we can use it. To be able to start coding in Python, we need to install something known as an IDE, or an integrated development environment. This is just a really fancy way of saying this is where we type our code. And the place that you type your code has got extra little tools which will help you code. So it makes it easier, it'll make it easy to spot mistakes, and so on. All you need to search in your browser is install Python. And you can see here, it's the top link, download Python. Now the latest version is going to be right there in front of you in this nice big gold button so you can download it. You double click on the file that's being downloaded and it comes up with this box. Now if you're just getting started and you don't know loads about it, I just recommend clicking where it says install now. So it took just over a minute to actually install and it came up with this message. You can see it does link you to online tutorials and documentation if you're brand new to it. So you can have a read through that, or you can carry on watching videos as well. It's all good ways to learn. Now that you've installed it, you'll be able to see it by clicking on start, going into all, scrolling down to the letter P, and you can see it there, Python 3.13, which is the latest version. In this folder, you've got these different options. It was the manuals that it was talking about, but also idle is where we're going to be typing our code. This is the IDE that we mentioned earlier, but this is Python's one. There are other IDEs available that you can download. Some people prefer different ones for different tools that it comes with. This is fine for beginners. So when it first opens, it doesn't look too impressive. You're left with this. So for example, if I just type in 2 + 10 and hit enter, it will execute that command straight away and you'll see the result outputted to you. The other mode, which is where you're going to be typing most of your code, will be on script mode. So if I click on file and then new file, you're left with a big blank box, which is where you're going to put all of your code. When you run your code, it will ask you to save it, and then the results will appear in the other window. So in the next video, we're showing you how to output information and what that actually means. And that's how we install Python so we can get started with coding. I'll see you next time.